Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to transfer apps to SD card into a Samsung Galaxy A51. Firstly, open Settings and go into Apps option, this one. Click it. Then need to choose some application, for example Brawl Stars, this one, and go into Storage option. And first option we got storage use, so now we internal shared storage. If you want to change, click change and use to SD card. Now click move and now wait until transfer is closed. And now we transferred Brawl Stars into SD card, so check it. Storage. And now we got storage used, external storage. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.